Good morning, fam. You weren't designed to spend 10 hours a day hunched over a screen. But your shoulders, spine, and nervous system, they've been carrying the cost. Today, we reset the tension before it resets your mood. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, hands on the shoulders, knees on the hips. Inhale, drop your belly, and lift your chest. This is cow. Exhale, round your spine, and tuck your chin. This is cat. This simple rhythm resets your entire spinal cord from neck to tailbone. I promise, this will wake up your nervous system and bring breath back into your body. Beginners, move slow, syncing breath and movement. Advanced switches add small pulses at the top and bottom of each curve. Here's a surprising truth. When your spine doesn't move, neither does your mind. Let's give your chest some space to breathe next. Interlace your fingers behind your back, roll your shoulders down and back. Then lift your hands slightly and open your heart. This is your antidote to laptop posture. I promise, just 1 minute here will create space across your lungs, shoulders, and collarbone. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the elbows. Advanced switches, hinge forward while lifting the arms higher. Try closing your eyes here. Can you feel your heartbeat slow down? Five more seconds. Hold it open. That just released your chest. Now let's free up your neck. Sit tall or kneel comfortably. Drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Gently roll your chin across your chest to the other side. This isn't just about your neck. It's about releasing the silent stress you didn't even know you were clenching. I promise, this move will decompress tension at the base of your skull where headaches and fatigue like to hide. Beginners, keep it gentle, no pressure, just presence. Advanced switches add subtle shoulder rolls with the motion. Do you feel a stretch at the base of your skull? Or are you tense in your jaw? Release that. Five more seconds. Breathe it out. That just melted the fog. Now, let's work on rotation and balance. Extend your left arm across your chest. Pull it gently with the right. At the same time, roll your right ankle in slow circles. This combo might seem odd, but it brings back control to two joints we neglect all day. I promise the stretch restores shoulder function and ankle stability, critical for posture and walking. Beginners, do one at a time. Advanced switches, reverse directions halfway through. Can you deepen your shoulder stretch without lifting it too high? Hold it for 5 more seconds. That just united a knot. Now let's bring it all home. Knees wide, toes together. Sink your hips to your heels, arms stretched long. Let your forehead touch the ground. This is your exhale. Your full body let go. I promise, this 1 minute will recalibrate your entire nervous system if you let it. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest or head. Advanced switches, walk your fingers out as far as possible and melt deeper. Let's play a little game. Can you stay here without fidgeting for the full 60 seconds? Challenge yourself. Stillness is strength. Breathe in, breathe out. You made it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stop stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-filled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. All delivered daily to your email inbox. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.